Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online. Doing this will allow QuickBooks to automatically import your transactions straight from your bank to your books, saving you a ton of time by not having to do it manually. The first step is to log into QuickBooks Online. I've started with a blank company for the sake of this video, so your dashboard will look a little different. To start, go over to the left navigation panel and select the button that says either Banking or Transactions. The only difference between the two is the name. All the functionality remains the same. Depending on what version of QuickBooks you are using, it will say one or the other. Here's what it would look like in both QuickBooks Easy Start and QuickBooks Online Accountant. Click the Transaction or Banking button to enter the banking screen. If you have not yet connected a bank account to QuickBooks, your screen will look like this. There are two options for importing your transactions into QuickBooks. There's the manual upload option highlighted here. This allows you to import a downloaded list of your bank transactions straight to QuickBooks. This is mainly only used if your bank does not support a direct connection to QuickBooks. Should this be the case, you would need to log into your bank account and find the option to download your transactions as either an excel.csv file or a quickbooks.qbo file. This method of uploading your transactions is not recommended if your bank is supported by QuickBooks, since you will still have to manually upload the transactions every time a new one occurs. The other option that I will be showing you today is the option to connect QuickBooks Online directly to your bank account. This is the recommended option since it allows QuickBooks to automatically import your transactions as soon as they are posted to your bank account. To begin linking the accounts, click the green Connect Account button here. This will bring up a screen asking you which financial institution you would like to link. There are more than 20,000 options, so if yours does not show up within the first few on screen, hit Show More or search by the name of your bank. For this tutorial, I will be linking an RBC account, so I'll click on Royal Bank of Canada here. Next, you are prompted to sign into your bank account. This is the same sign-in information used to access online banking. Once you have signed in, you can hit Continue, verify that you are not a robot, and hit Continue again. This will link the bank account you logged into QuickBooks. It may take a few seconds, so just give it some time. Now, QuickBooks has recognized some accounts under that bank login. You want to make sure that you only link up the account or accounts that you will use for your business. So, if you see a personal account here, make sure it is deselected. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will only link up this one account. Next, make sure that QuickBooks knows what type of account it is. If it's incorrect, click on the drop-down menu and change it. QuickBooks already got it for me, so I'll leave it as is. The last step is to define a start date for when you want QuickBooks to import previous transactions. The default option is the first day of the current year, but if you want something else, click on the date and select Custom. This will allow you to enter any date you want. I'm just going to put December 30th, 2019. Now that the date is set, press Connect and you are done. QuickBooks will process your inputs again and then return to your banking screen. If you are new to QuickBooks, it would be helpful to watch the overview video and take the guided tour. For now, I'll just exit out of the menu. Now your transactions have been imported to QuickBooks. You will need to organize them into their appropriate accounts within QuickBooks now, but your bank account is successfully linked. If you want to check for new transactions, press the refresh button in the top right corner. Anything that is new will be added to the top of the list here. If you would like to edit a bank account or remove one altogether, click on the pencil icon in the Accounts box on screen. Then select Edit Account Info. This will allow you to change the name of the account as well as the type and the detail type. Or if you want to disconnect the account altogether, simply check the box beside Disconnect this account on Save, and then press Save and Close. This will remove your account from QuickBooks and will no longer sync it with your bank. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.